Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry. Coming to the exercise 8.4. Coming to the concept trigonometric identities. So, definition: an equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called a trigonometric identity. So, suppose if A is an acute angle of a right angle triangle, then the following identities are applicable. So, sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. 1 plus tan square A equals to secant square A. 1 plus cot square A equals to cosecant square A. So, before we are going to get the solutions for the questions, we need to learn the formulas. What are the formulas? What are the identities? We have to know sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1, 1 plus tan square A equals to secant square A, 1 plus cot square A equals to cosecant square A. So, coming to the problems. So first question. Express first question. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. So we have trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? We have sin given sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. So sin A, secant A and tan A should be written in the form of cot A. How we are going to write? We will get solution. Coming to the solution, sin A. Sin A can be written that equals to root of sin square A. So sin square A means what is how can we write in cosecant form? 1 by cosecant A equals to sin A or 1 by sin A equals to cosecant A. So 1 by cosecant A, 1 by root of cosecant square A. Root of sin square A can be written in the form 1 by root of cosecant square A. So again 1 by cosecant square A can be how cosecant square A can be written in the form of 1 plus cosecant A equals to 1 plus cot A. So again we can write 1 by root of 1 plus cot square A. Since cosecant square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So we had written sin A in terms of cot A. So 1 by root of 1 plus cot square A. Next, coming to secant A. How secant A can be written in terms of cot A? So we know that secant square A equals to 1 plus tan square A or 1 plus tan square A equals to secant square A. So we know the identity. What is the identity? 1 plus tan square A equals to secant square A. So secant A can be written root of secant square A. So secant A. First we had taken secant A. Secant A can be written root of secant square A. So secant square A can be written in the form 1 plus tan square A. So root of 1 plus tan square A. So again tan A can be written how? In the form of cot A. Tan A equals to 1 by cot A. So substituting root of substituting here root of 1 plus 1 by cot square A. So tan square A can be written 1 by cot square A. So secant A equals to root of 1 plus cot square A by cot A. So we had written secant A in the form of cot A. Next, tan A equals to 1 by cot A. So we got the solution for question number 1. Coming to the question number 2. Going to the question number 2. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. So we need to write all the other trigonometric ratios of A in terms of secant A. So what are the trigonometric ratios we have? Sin A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A and cot A. So first we go for sin A. Sin A equals to root of sin square A we can write. Again sin square A can be written 1 minus cos square A. That is, so we know the identity that sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So sin square A equals to 1 minus cos square A. So root of 1 minus cos square A. Again cos A can be written in the form 1 by secant A. So root of 1 minus 1 by secant A whole square. So sin A equals to root of 1 minus secant square A by secant square A. Next, coming to cos A. We know that cos A is reciprocal of secant A. So cos A equals to 1 by secant A. Next, coming to third one, tan A. Tan A, what is the identity? We have 1 plus tan square A equals to secant square A. So tan square A equals to secant square A minus 1. So tan A equals to root of secant square A minus 1. Next, cosecant A. Cosecant square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. So cosecant A equals to, usually what in terms of sine, how we can write cosecant A equals to 1 by sin A, 1 by root of sin square A, 1 by root of 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A, again we can write 1 by secant A. So that implies 1 by root of 1 minus 1 by secant square A. That implies secant A by secant square A minus 1. So cosecant A can be written in the form of, in terms of secant A, how? Secant A by root of secant square A minus 1. Coming to cot A. Cot A equals to 1 by tan A. So tan A, 1 plus tan square A equals to secant square A. So tan A equals to tan square A equals to secant square A minus 1. So tan A equals to root of secant square A minus 1. Thank you. If you like this channel, please subscribe it and make comment, like, share upon it. Okay. Thank you.